Hello guys, I hope that you enjoyed the two videos, Phases of the Moon and Orbit the Moon. I really enjoyed listening and learning things about them. So let's talk about what we learned about the different phases of the moon. As I was listening, I was making some notes of some things that I learned. The first thing that I learned, and you probably heard as well, is that the sun shines the light on the moon. The moon does not have light. It's the sun shining on its light on the moon. Also, as you can tell here, that the moon looks different in the sky. These are all the different phases of the moon. And you may have not heard all of these different phases of the moon in these two videos, but you did learn about them in the moon phases video, which I will have linked for today's lesson if you want to go back and review those. But as you can tell, when you look up in the sky, the moon looks different. If you look at each one of these, the moon looks different. And so what I learned in the video is that the moon doesn't change at all. The moon stays just the way it is. But what does change is how much of the moon you can see. And we learned about that in both of these videos today. So what I want you to do, if you feel that you would like to go back and listen to the moon phase video, it will be listed under Wednesday's lesson. So feel free to do that. If you want to go back and listen to these two videos again, you can go back and click on the link as well. When you're done and you're ready, you're going to go ahead and complete this assignment. So, phases of the moon. You're going to match the pictures to the correct phase. As you notice here, one other thing that we learned is that there's 8 phases of the moon. But I only listed 5. So you only need to match up these 5 phases of the moon to the pictures. So you'll just open up your journal. You'll write phases of the moon on top. And what will you do up here? Write your date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to look at picture 1. And which one of these is picture 1 showing? And you'll write it right here. Then you look at picture 2. Which one of these matches the picture? And you do that for number 3, number 4, number 5. Remember, you can go back and you can watch the videos again. And I suggest that you go back and that you listen to the moon phase video again, so to refresh your memory on that. So again, if you have any questions on this assignment, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to assist you in any way that I can. Hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.